Hello everyone, I'm Kay. This video is about the applet control with the power strip ring. Some friends and classmates might be wondering if the applet actually comes with and without a power strip ring. If you're interested, you can check out my previous video. In some cases where the competition requirements aren't as high, the gimbal motor without the current ring is also sufficient. We use voltage to control it. So, speaking of which, why use the current loop? It's because they want us to be able to control the current more precisely. As for the current, it's proportional to our normal torque, which means if we want a robot's hand to steadily grasp something and move it to another place, then we definitely need an electric ring. That's why in robot control, what we need is loss control, which requires our precise torque control. So the current loop is essential and also very important. 3. Then since there is a power ring, we need to use current collection. Current collection usually involves calculations inside the emergency circuit. As the name suggests, we need to amplify some of the weaker signals through this amplifier. So for this design on my side, it uses a current sensor, and the current uses a chip. This chip has a built-in algorithm generator, which can directly amplify the gain, for example, 20 times, 50 times, so it can be used directly. Its advantage is that it can't capacitors and resistors anymore. We've used them all up. Instead, we can integrate them into one that can be directly upgraded to a notebook. The downside is that it will be expensive. For example, the original cost might only be a few cents, like 50 cents or 80 cents. But with this current sensor, the chip current uses the chip, and everyone can also take a look at our feature showcase, and those who are interested can take a look at it step by step. Synchronously, take a look at this corresponding blog of mine.
Okay, let's take a look now. This iBuddha is playing in the big video. By default we proceed to a speed loop, and then we first transfer it to a place with 0 position. Then we are setting up the mode. Set to I equals 0. ID 00 for this applet mode. Set the force speed. The position is set at the force speed. Anyway. Really? Okay, no problem. Then this board now. This place is used for its communication. You can see the waveform using our upper level computer. And what about this one? This one is ASST used for burning to the Maku simulator. The built-in power supply here provides power. It's for a 12/voltage store. To power the driver chip. Yes, then the entire board is a driver chip. One region, and on this side is an integrated current power chip. It doesn't need an amplifier because it has one inside. Its default model is 50 times or 20 times, maybe 20 times. Double electric sample. Yes, and this motor is a direct current brushless motor. We are using C control. So, whether it's a 9-flow object brake motor or a permanent magnet flux motor, their control methods are the same. The specific difference lies in you. When the click is dragged, its anti-electric mode is different. Okay, there are still 2 small buttons left. So, overall, the main difference in hardware between wearing a movie ring and not wearing an electronic ring is the addition of an electronic sample. The purpose is just for that, right? For example, when our motor is running, this current is at the milliamp level. We can zoom in to see what's ours. This I/O port got stepped on. So for the I and I/O ports, it originally had a voltage of 3.3 volts, with the maximum being 3 volts plus 1 volt corresponding to 4.96. It can only be converted and used well after going through the plan. So why do we need amplifiers? You see, electronic sampling requires an amplifier. That's because the signal is too small.
Alright, that's all for this video. After that, I'll bring you more content related to motor control. If you like it, don't forget to give me likes, coins, and collections. See you in the next video.